In this video, let's explore some fundamental PHP string functions that handle length and case manipulation. We'll cover functions like string length, string to upper, string to lower, ucfirst, and ucwords. These tools are essential for any PHP developer working with text. First, let's discuss the string length function. This function is used to determine the length of a string. Here's an example. We declare a variable $text and assign the string hello world to it. Then we use the string length function to find the length of the string and store the result in the $length variable. Finally, when we echo $length, it outputs 11, which is the number of characters in hello world. Now let's look at the string to upper function. This function converts all characters in a string to uppercase. Take a look at this code. We assign the string hello world to the $text variable. Then we apply the string to upper function to $text, storing the uppercase version in the $uppercase variable. The echo statement then outputs hello world. Next, we have the string to lower function, which converts all characters in a string to lowercase. Here's an example. The $text variable is assigned the string hello world. Using string to lower on $text and storing the result in $lowercase, we get an output of hello world when we echo $lowercase. Let's examine the ucfirst function. This function capitalizes the first letter of a string. Consider this example. We start with $text equal to hello world. Applying ucfirst to $text and saving the result in $capitalized, we then echo $capitalized, which results in hello world. Only the first letter is capitalized. Finally, let's look at the ucwords function. This function capitalizes the first letter of each word in a string. For example, if $text is hello world PHP, using ucwords on $text and assigning it to $title case will result in hello world PHP. Each word now starts with a capital letter. Let's put these functions into practice with a practical example. Here we have a variable $name that holds the string John DOE. Using string length on $name will output 8, as there are 8 characters in the string. Applying string to upper, we'll convert it to John DOE. Using string to lower, we'll convert it to John Doe. ucfirst will capitalize only the first letter, resulting in John DOE, and ucwords will capitalize the first letter of each word, giving us John Doe. In summary, we've covered several essential PHP string manipulation tools. The string length function helps you determine the length of a string. The case functions include string to upper, to convert to all uppercase, string to lower, to convert to all lowercase, ucfirst, to capitalize the first letter of a string, and ucwords, to capitalize the first letter of each word. These functions are essential tools for effectively manipulating strings in PHP. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.